Hi, I'm Kenny Lewandowski, and this is my final portfolio website. So this is the Google site template I used from the instructional videos on our module. And so this, to start off, the layout I used this nice gray, kind of textured layout, and I used this because I like the contrast of the white font on the dark background, and I kind of want to keep this theme throughout my portfolio. It'll be consistent, and I think it adds a nice level of contrast, and it's different. Also, another thing I like about this is that the whole website, I'm going to try to aim to keep balanced and consistent, like I said before. So I'm going to try and keep all the font the same, so there's not a lot of changing fonts. So getting back into it, so this is my homepage. I don't have anything here right now because I will be filling this in throughout the year gradually, but this is when the final portfolio is due. And over to the side, there are the 9 student learning outcomes that we're going to be filling in and reflecting on after each project. We're going to kind of decide what we've learned when we're looking back at the end of the year. And so these are the tabs for the 3 different projects. I currently don't have anything in the first project because the project isn't due until next week. But once I start working on these projects, I will be uploading them here as well as on Learn. And yeah, that's mainly it. But another thing I like about this website is the tabs, and so you can kind of just go to different pages at your own leisure, and you can kind of easy to navigate. So thank you, and I look forward to learning more with you guys.